Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 4000 amp 100 volt water-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is in very nice condition, totally refurbished, tested here at Lanco by our electricians on staff. It's in very good working condition. We will turn it on in a second. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Does have a brand new remote with ramp controls. We'll take a look at that in a second as well. Overall dimensions, 52 inches long by 52 inches wide by 80 inches high. Here is the remote. The ramp controls here, the ramp timer here. Back around to the back side, you can see how very nice and clean it is. Unit weighs roughly 5,200 pounds. Input amps 575. We'll now turn it on so we can see and hear it in operation. So turn it on, you'll see the amps and volts continue to climb up. Just like that. Come over here to the O-scope. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.